You better be obsessed with me. I am Roxy Msizu, Miss Roxy on the rocks. Madlamini muhlumzizu jamakasijadu abangaziyo bathi bayede ndlovukazi.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to yet another exciting episode right here on my YouTube. This is a get ready with me. I just applied my face serum before I applied my makeup. Now I took a spoolie and a sunlight bar soap to brush up my brows and give them that hold so that whenever I'm filling up my brows with my brown eyeliner, it would look popping and give that natural look that I'm trying to go for when it comes to my brows. Here am I filling up my brows to the shape that I want them to be. And I'm shaping it in direction where my brows are, so that it gives that natural look that I'm going for in my brows, for my brows. I'm then using these two brushes just to highlight and line up my eyebrows, and I'll be using a Kryolan. I don't know what shade is that, but it's a bit lighter than my skin complexion. Yes. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, beautiful people, if you haven't subscribed. And thank you for tuning in. And I really appreciate you if you've already subscribed. Thank you, my honey poo. Your love doesn't go unnoticed. So now I am lining my brows with the lightest concealer from Kryolan. And then I am going to be using my Dark and Lovely foundation just to blend and give my brows that natural type of look vibe. I don't like having just the lightest shade of my concealer. I feel like it gives more of dramatic makeup, so I'm not going for that kind of look. I'm going for something settled but yet dramatic, but not too dramatic. I hope you get what I mean. And please make sure when you're doing your brows, blend that concealer and make sure your brows are the shape that you want them to be, you know. Please don't mind my voice as well, my friends, my honey boos. I have flu, you know, it's flu season. So yes. Oh girl, you know I'm not used to recording videos like this. Next time I think I need to position my camera facing me, because I'm looking at the mirror as I'm applying my makeup. So I go on top, as I'm lining on top, I'm using another concealer, which is a darker shade from the two I used, just to line my upper brows. And I hope you loving how my brows are done. I know some people are so particular with their brows, so yeah, find brows that make you happy and look beautiful, you know. Just doing some touch-ups with my liner. Then I used my powder to just give my brows that matte look and hold them together and hold the foundation and concealer together. Went straight to my eyeshadows. I took the yellow pigment eyeshadow and blended it out in circular motions and made sure that it gives. I just love how it makes my eyes pop, girl. And I bought this from Shein, so I went in with my other palette and took a warm orange, and blended also in circular motions so that it gives this other color, which I don't know is, but I just love using creativity when it comes to eyeshadows. You can also try different shades also. I added a little bit of purple, just a little bit, and then I went straight to cutting crease with my concealer. Cutting crease is it's not even it's one of those techniques which are a bit difficult. I'm not a favorite of cutting crease, but I do love cut creases. So I usually take more time when I'm cutting my crease, because I'm looking for that perfect something, you know. I'm looking for that perfect cut crease. that cut crease that cuts, you know, those makeup artists looks. I don't know if I'm making sense. Went in with another brush. I took the lighter pigment, white pigment eyeshadow, used it for the inner part of my cut crease. Then I went straight to purple, darker purple, and then I went for a bronze shimmer. I mixed another bronze shimmer up until almost where my brows, my cut crease starts. Then I'm blending everything that you do. You need to blend your makeup. Blend. I added a bit of glitter. You know, what's makeup without glitter, guys? What's makeup without glitter? Here am I doing my wing. Some people call it the cat eye. I'm using a liquid eyeliner from, I could say, from my friend's shop. You know those cosmetic shops that are owned by my friend. That's what I'm using, guys. It's giving though. It's giving that thing. And I lined out my wing cat eye with a lighter concealer to make it more sharp, or straight rather. And I like taking my time whenever I'm applying my makeup. Under my eyes, I'm still using a concealer, so to add a lighter powder, and then I added also a purple eyeshadow underneath it. I want my eyes to be popping. As you can see, they already started popping out. Then I used a liner, a black eyeliner, just to give that munched look, you know, type of vibe. Went in on with my Feed Me foundation and another foundation from Yardley Flawless Age, what, you know. Blended it with my brush. Blended it very nice. Blend. We're using my beauty blender also just to finish up the look. Went on in with my concealer, the one I used for my brows, the lightest one. Yes, I'm tapping, making sure it's blended with my skin. Took my other palette of concealers which had the darkest shade, and now I'm contouring my face, my nose, and my jawline. Now I'm using the beauty blender just to blend in, tapping sponge, dipping my face. Took my red lipstick just to give me that blush. You know, I love blushes, guys. I love blush. Blush gives me that look of, you know what, this girl is in right here. I took my other contouring palette powder, and then I just contoured where I applied with the concealer contour dark shade. Now I'm using banana powder to highlight and dry out my makeup. Okay, I'm putting a pink blush also on top because you know I love blushes. Going in on, you know, snatching that nose. I just how I love how my makeup and my nose looks after snatching my makeup. Don't mind me, guys. I usually lose my things. I'm looking for something else. Oh, I'm getting something else. I was looking for my powder now. I was showing you my shimmer. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Yes, we're still highlighting my jawline. I look spooky, hey? But trust the process. Trust the process. We're brushing out the banana powder. I hope you see my makeup is now shaping. I'm using my bronzer. I bought it at Clicks. It was on sale, hey, but yeah. I'm still using the bronzer for my nose just to highlight my nose, I'll be using 2 different bronzers actually. I'm using another one right now. No, actually I'm using the powder to shape my nose again. Yes, this is another shimmer, the lightest one. I'm using it on top just to give it that spark. I like to sparkle, Pretty girls like to sparkle. The nose is so snatched, y'all. It's so snatched. I'm also lining my upper lip. Went in with my purple eyeshadow for my under eyes so that they can pop. Girl likes to pop. Everything is popping. I'm using my setting spray whilst I'm at it, just to hold my makeup. And then I'm using my Yardley mascara from some beauty cosmetic shop that I bought from. I just love this palette, guys. I don't know where I bought it, or did my sister buy it for me, but then yeah, it's giving the pigment of these eyeshadows are giving. Now I'm lining my eyebrows with my eyebrow gel, the brown shade. My lips, I meant, guys. Oh girl, I'm lining my eyebrows. I wanted to say I'm lining my upper lips and lower lips. As you can see, girl has fuller lips, so when I'm lining, I love having that pristine lines, just to show that my lips are fuller, and I just love them like that. I literally need to, whenever I'm doing something like this next time, I need to position my camera in a upright position. Still edit, beautiful people. And by the way, as I'm doing this look, guys, as you know, I've started my lock journey, and I don't know how my makeup will look. You must definitely tell me how I look. I'm using a liquid lipstick, which is a bit nude but pink in a sense. Came again with my mascara for my under eyes. Few minutes later, I'm applying my lashes, and the glue went inside my eye. But big girls don't cry, we move. The show must go on. Finally, I was able to layer my eyelash. Yes. Then on to the next one. Yeah, beautiful people, I hope you enjoying this get ready with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share your thoughts and views. That is my first I don't know if it's a YouTube tutorial, makeup tutorial, or what, or a get ready, or your what. I've never thought into in doing such for my YouTube channel, but I guess it's always great to try something new. This is my hair, guys. As you can see, ooh, I'm going natural. I hope I look good, guys. What's your thoughts? What's your thoughts? Yes, queen. Trying different type of hairstyles, but you know what? I'm just going to let my hair be.